like this. Now, once you have selected your file, you can see the convert to PDF button. Simply click on it and the conversion will start taking place. Then once your converted file is ready, you can see the download PDF button. Simply click on it and your PDF file will be downloaded. And here you can see that my Excel file has been successfully converted into a PDF file. Now that's it for this particular video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.